the unboxing of what I believe to be my new camera. I've not yet opened it, the first time I've done it. I've got my action camera here, so I'm going to be doing some close-up shots. So I'm going to talk to it right now. So guys, here we are. I'm just getting into it. So I'll put you down over here. Get on with it. Here we have it, guys. Here is the box. And get this out. Sorry guys, I'm doing this one hand. Chuck that out of the way down there. Yeah. I've got my here. I've got my new mouse, which is here. And yeah, so this is a HP laptop. Let's open it up. Opened up the box, guys. There we go. Opened up the box. There we go. So, we opened it. There we have it, guys. My new HP laptop. Here's the charging cable for it. Standard UK plug. Here's our adapter. And here's the battery. Very small, compact battery right here. Very nice. Now we come to the actual thing. This is just kind of safety things about it. And here it is. Very well packaged. Indeed. Oh, chuck that off there. Okay. Whoa. This is new. Look. Things like proper airtight seal. Looks like they pump it up. Oh, that is awesome. That's sick. There it is, guys. So, I'll get it out for you guys. What you have to do is flip it. And flip it over. Grab the battery. Good. Slide in there. Two little clip on. Alright. So there's the two little clips. Just plugged in the battery. That's cool. Got really nice rubber seat here. Massive rubber. Now I'm going to take it into the other room and charge it up and turn it on and show you how to set it up. Okay then guys, so here it is. So how we turn it on. Press this button here. Powering up. Okay. The light should come on down here. Loading up. That's where the charger is on. Plugged in over there, as you can see. I have a lot of lighting going on around me. Look a bit better. Well lit. It's pretty cool. If it would load, it's loading. So it's actually doing something. It says hello there. It says can you put all these details? So that's what I'm going to do. I don't have to do much there. There. The mouse moves pretty there's the keyboard there. All the buttons. And I'll see you guys when it's all set up. So guys, I'm just logging on. Okay, so I'm just logging on here. Okay, it's got a webcam, it's got a mic, and fully HD screen, I'm guessing. I'm going to play one of my videos just to find out and yeah, very good. It's got HDMI port, it's got USB 5, USB 3, and another USB here, and the charging light and the power light, and of course the tray for distance. So we're just going to see, and got a very nice back on it as well. That's just the phone. So guys, it says just a moment. When that's done, I'm going to be going on YouTube, testing out the quality of this and how fast it is. And yeah, everything looks really good. It's a refurbished one, but everything looks great, really smooth. And like I said, here's close up on all the things that are on the side, plus the bottom. And we have USB that side, and a tray which is here. And there's the HP logo right at the bottom. So we're just waiting at the moment. But there's the camera at the top. So we're just waiting at the moment, but it doesn't seem to do anything. But I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, now it's telling me to. There's a lot of instructions on this. It's telling me to do my first name, email, surname, and country, and it has all these boxes to tick. And then the next one, so I'm guessing there's more. So I'll see you guys the proper when it's fully up and running. So guys, I think it's actually logging in now. Here we go. Lots of great features to get excited about. It keeps on saying these nice things. So guys, I'm now on YouTube. I'm gonna sign in. I'm gonna sign in, guys. So I signed into my YouTube. Yeah, see, there's magic. Now, should be pretty good HD. Not quite sure. Should be 1080. Let's have a look. So here it is, guys. 1080. Buffer and load. That's normal. Cool. That's pretty cool. Pretty good. Test out the quality of it. I play music. So guys, as you see, it's pretty good. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. I'm going to do a bit of quick and shake my laptop even more. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. This laptop's great.
definitely go and get one. It's obviously Tesco store on eBay.